A big moment coming in for the Kashmir Valley. After much promise now, a train to Kashmir. Remember till now that there had to be a stop and a change, and especially from the Jammu region. But now it appears there could be a train directly till Srinagar, entering into the Kashmir Valley. Prime Minister Modi will be flagging off the Katra-Srinagar train. This is very important because this was earlier, remember, an interchange that's happening. For example, from Delhi to Katra, which is in Jammu region. Katra is, of course, famous for the Vaishno Devi temple, where lakhs of devotees go daily. And then from Katra to Srinagar, this is big moment, remember, coming in, train to Kashmir to start on 19th April. And this will be a Vande Bharat train that's been announced. But it's going to be interesting. Remember, this will have a lot of security protocol attached to it to ensure that terrorists in no way will try to hamper this route. They do not want this peace and prosperity in the Kashmir Valley. Prime Minister Modi, we are also told, will be visiting the world's highest rail bridge that has been made in the region. My colleague Sunil G. Bhatt joins me for the latest on that. Sunil, so in Udhampur, in Katra, where this till the last stop had been done, tell us more about this route now. Katra to Srinagar, when are we expecting it to begin? Is this a first? And what does this mean as a change for J&K?
Well, Pooja, the wait is finally over. Dil ki Duri and Delhi ki Duri are going to end now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to, flag off the inaugural train between Katra and Srinagar on April 19. That's what our sources have told us. He's going to visit Jammu and Kashmir on April 19. He will be landing in Udhampur and then he will be going to Katra railway station where he will flag off the first Vande Bharat train from Katra to Srinagar. He's also going to visit world's highest railway bridge that has been constructed over Chenab River in Riyasi district of Jammu region. And he's also going to address a public rally on that day in the holy town of Katra. And Pooja, this is big that Kashmir Valley is finally getting connected with the rest of the country through rail network. And the inaugural train is going to be flagged off by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 19. This will give boost to tourism and this is going to give a major flip to the economy of Jammu and Kashmir. And as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been saying that he wants to end Dil ki Duri and Delhi ki Duri. And this is a major step in that direction. And this is going to be huge considering the fact that so far, train was running within the Kashmir Valley and then it was, expanded till Sangaldan in Ramban district of Jammu region. So the train was running from Sangaldan to Baramulla. Now the remaining part has been connected. So the train will now be going from Katra to Srinagar. And later, most likely in the month of August, when the Jammu railway station expansion work will be completed, then train will go from Jammu to Srinagar. But there will be no direct train from Delhi to Srinagar considering the security reasons. Passengers will have
That's an important point. That's an important point that you're making. There will be a break in between. But remember, we are still talking about a certain kind of conflict zone. A lot has changed. A lot has improved in J&K. However, we know that there are active terrorists still who want to hamper and disturb peace and prosperity. So looking at that, security measures, there will be an interchange from Katra. But Katra to Srinagar, I can only imagine the number of people, possibly including myself and Sunil, who will be likely taking this route to explore what the train journey into Kashmir will be looking like. Thank you very much, Sunil, for tracking all the latest on that.